This is the newest trading bot for Pocket Option. Unlike the others, Flex AI is not just a piece of code, it's your personal, fully customizable agent that works 24/7. When talking about customization, this is what it looks like. Live assets, OTC or crypto. Set your own charts type, time frame, and the most important, your time zone. Flex AI will fully synchronize with your own Pocket Option account. When all the settings were set, let's proceed to the first Flex trading session. Our project has been granted with the unique Pocket Option promo code. You can see it on your screen. Use it now and get a 60% bonus for your deposit. Choose the asset, choose the expiration time, confirm your choice, wait a bit till the signal is loaded and open a deal. Signals generated by Flex AI are worth it, as you can see. I totally recommend you to try this new Flex AI project to enhance your trading experience. This is a high-quality developed artificial intelligence that can help newbies and professionals as well.